We're the last people standing, still dancing when the lights come on. The music is fading, but this is our favorite part. I used to feel like an outcast, but I think I'm alright after all. 'Cause you make me feel like I belong. You like me from me without all of the glitter.
Yay! Good job! Okay, all the way. There. Yeah, press it hard. Good job, Jenny. Thank you. Ito na yung aking spring onions. Nabuhay talaga sila. Pero yung iba, meron siyang ganito nabali. Ayan, nabali. Dalawa yung nabali. Hindi naman siya masyadong makapal. Naglaba pala yun si Wayne. Ang lalaki na ng plum. Ako na lang muna yung magsampay. Dahil hindi ko pa sila naturuan paano magsampay. Laba muna yung ating uunahin. Tapos next time, tuturuan ko sila how to cook. Kahit rice lang or mga itlog. Ganon yung aking goal para marunong naman sila maggalaw-galaw dito sa bahay. Morning! Hello everybody! I'm Jack. Welcome to the family! Ajus! Ajus! Cake, baby! Show tita's cake, babe! Ba! Peekaboo! 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 Huh?
Neck. You just let me see your neck. Oh, no, not that. I meant this, not that.
Kiss!
That my
Oops!
You're falling now. Can I say this?
Mag-harvest daw sila ng pear.
I'm gonna say it.
Yeah?
Thank you, Pear.
Thank you.
The best pear in the world.
What?
You're the best pear in the world.
How about Jenny?
You're the best pear in the world.
Agoy!
You're the best
Why did you do that? You
You're
should be careful.
the best pear in the
Oh,
world.
Jenny. This one, Jenny.
Oh.
Be careful. This. Yeah? There you go.
Thank you, baby pear.
Pears. Yummy? Where? Oh.
Hello, you have an appointment tomorrow. It's Nick from the health team, it is, at 10:30.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we're having some building work done.
Yeah.
I was wondering if you could come next Wednesday, ma'am, at 1 o'clock.
Okay, no problem. I think hinog na ito ang mga pear. Kanina binispisan ko siya, pinainom ko ng tubig kay para man siyang malaya oy. Madami pa naman ito ay. Where are you going?
Slippers is in.
Where are you going, JJ? Jack is there.
Baba.
Yeah. sa dentist today kaya hindi na kaya ng aking ngipin yung sakit. So we'll have to see kung ano yung sasabihin ng dentist.
I did that. Jay,
Is Jack sleeping now?
no, he's still awake.
Mm-mm.
His eyes are still open. JJ, but what's that? What?
That's my dental. Bakit ka nag-i-English dahil? I just wanted to speak English to be OA. Dito sana kami mag-park. Nakalimutan niya na bawal pala mag-enter dito. Oh. From this, dito sa entrance, you can't enter. So, akyat na ako dito. And hopefully, things will be sorted. Mahirap. I cannot take care of Jack properly and the kids because I was in pain for so many days. So, kailangan kong sabihin sa kanila lahat, i-exaggerate ko para matulungan nila ako sa aking ngipin. Mahal baya-baya dito eh. Libre naman ng mga pang-check up ito sa ngipin. Kaso I have to apply something. Unang anak, tapos i-grant nila yung parang paperwork at mapunta pa ako sa NHS para sa government. Sobrang matagal pa. Hindi na ako makaantay kasi yung left side ko is lahat ng gums na maga. Tapos hindi ako makakain ng rice. Ang kinakain ko lang is yung parang lugaw. Lugaw ako every time. Kaya pag ganun ako para siyang tinutusok ng kutsilyo. So, anyways, I'm here. Let's just be positive that everything will be okay. Mahal kaayo ni. Masyak na naman ako sa price nito kasi last time 200 to 50 every time na punta ako dito. So, we'll just see.
I'm gonna say why you did the donut.
Hello, galing ako sa dentist kanina. So, ang nangyari is tinignan lang yung ngipin ko, walang ginawa. Pinadugo lang at tinusok at nagbayad ako ng 100 pound. That's 7,000 in Philippine money, no? Walang ginawa. So, ang nangyari ngayon, walang nangyayari. Ni-refer niya ako sa another appointment which is another 80 to 100 pound na naman na pag-cleaning lang. Yan, naghubag naman ang aking ngipin. So, hindi ko na kaya. Nag-call ako ng emergency dito sa government nila. Nagtawag ako dahil wala namang ibang makatulong sa akin. Only myself. Walang ibang makatulong sa akin. So, tinawagan ko yung emergency. Yes? Wait sa anak. Ngayon, nagbabiyahe kami ngayon papunta doon sa dentist. So ngayon, na emergency ang inyong inday sa appointment. Is wrong, I think. Do you think?
Turn left.
Panuban in taon yung dalawa. Okay. Few weeks na yun, hindi talaga ako makagalaw ng tama. Si Jack, hindi ko naalagaan ng tama dahil lang sa sakit ng ngipin. Tinulungan ako ng gobyerno nila. Binigyan ako ng number kung saan ako pupunta. So, i-emergency yung aking ngipin. Kay in-interview man ako kung masakit ba. Sabi ko, namamaga, nagdudugo. Hindi ako makakain ng tama. Kahit ngayon, wala akong kain ng tama kaya masakit. Lalo na pag nagsalita ako at magbanggaan yung ngipin ko, sabi ko, nagdudugo, nag-bleed, tinusok pa ng dentist doon, nagbayad-bayad akong sobrang mahal. So, iwan ko kung ano yung gagawin nila today sa akin, but nagta-travel pa kami kay medyo malayo sa aming bahay. But hopefully, ma-okay ako kay delikado magka-infection ang mga ngipin natin at mapunta sa bloodstream, delikado. Ito na palang entrance. First time ko dito. May infection ako, guys. Kung hindi ako pumunta dito. Yung infection ko kakalat sa aking katawan. Order lang kami dito ng food. Namaga yung aking dito. I wasn't able to fix myself today. Kaya masakit yung aking ulo, lahat-lahat. Tapos gi-injectionan ako ng doktor, dentist, doktor man yan sila, no?
Hi, you ordering on the app today?
No.
No worries, what can I get for you?
Can I have a fish finger Happy Meal, please, with a fruit shoot?
Else?
And a cheeseburger Happy Meal with orange juice.
No worries, anything else?
That's it, thank you very much.
Okay, just like a bag.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
No worries, check your order's correct on the screen and let me know when you're ready.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye. May I on the computer?
Musta everybody! Pasensya kayo, walang ayos yung inday today because I wasn't feeling good. My tooth is aching, my teeth, my everything, my head and everything. But anyways, we should hope for the good vibes. And I have a chika-chika to you. Naalala nyo, if you were watching my vlog when I was in the Philippines, merong forest na sobrang laki. Yung merong maraming kahoy na sobrang lawak ng lupain. Sobrang lapad nun. Nag-vlog ako dati. I was vlogging that before and I said na maganda siguro kung mapasa atin ito. Sana mapasa amin ito. Marinovate ito ni Wayne. Ganon. Grabe yun. Yeah, my mom said don't tolerate it.